teachers, judges, and my dear friends, a very good evening to everyone present here. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to today's quiz program. A quiz is not just a competition. It is an opportunity to learn, think critically, and expand our knowledge. It encourages curiosity, improve our confidence, and help us develop the habit of lifelong learning. Today, participants from different teams will showcase their knowledge, presence of mind, and teamwork. I congratulate to all the participants for their hard work and wish them the very best. Remember, participating with confidence and enthusiasm is more important than winning. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to our respected principal, teachers, judges, and everyone who worked hard to organize this event. Your support and encouragement make progress like this possible. I hope this quiz will be an enjoyable and enriching experience for everyone. Let us cheer for all the participants and appreciate their efforts with a positive spirit. Thank you. I wish that this program a grand success. Thank you. Now, let us start the quiz program. Pre-ITC and academic quiz round 1. See, in this quiz program, 5 rounds will be there. First round, GK. Second round, capitals. Third round, currency. And fourth one, picture visible. And fifth one, current affairs will come. Okay, now? Now, let us start your introduction. 5 teams will be there. Each team 6 members are there. Teams names for group number 1, Karl Marx group. And second group, MN Roy group. And third group, Jawaharlal Nehru team. And third one, Lenin. And fourth one, Joseph Stalin. Okay, now the boys and girls. All the best for every team. Let us start our program. Quiz round number 1. In this round, 10 questions are there. Understand this one? 10 questions. If 5 teams, each team will get 2 questions. Let us start on first question. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Options. Option A, Jaipur. Option B, Bangalore. Option C, Thiruvananthapuram. Option D, Goa. Team 1, group 1. Answer it.
Bangalore.
Which one is?
Option B, Bangalore.
Correct answer. Team 1 got 1 mark. Second question. When is Good Governance Day celebrated in India? When is Good Governance Day celebrated in India? Option A, 16th December. Option B, 12th December. Option C, 20th December. Option D, 25th December.
20 December.
Wrong answer. Team 3, Jawaharlal Nehru.
16th December.
Wrong answer. Correct answer.
Okay, cancel. Question cancel. Next question. Go to
Third
next question.
question.
Click చేయకూడదు.
Now,
Question number 3.
team 2. Team 2, team 3.
Team 3.
Who is the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? Option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Option B, Mother Teresa. Option C, C.V. Raman. Option D, Hari Govind Karuna. Fast.
Option A, Rabindranath Tagore.
Correct answer.
See, correct answer, please say. Okay. Rabindranath Tagore.
Team 3 question. Jawaharlal Nehru team got 1 mark. In which Indian state the Harappan site Dhalavira has been discovered? Dhalavira, sorry. Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Karnataka. Option D, Punjab. Tell me fast.
Gujarat.
Gujarat, correct answer.
Team Lenin.
Team 4. Is the correct answer. Team 4 got 1 mark. Next. Now Joseph Stalin Group. Which river crosses the equator twice during its course? Option A Ganga. Option B Indus. Option C Congo. Option D Punjab.
Option C, Congo.
Congo, very good. Correct answer.
Okay, correct answer. Congo.
Now second round. Sorry, sixth question. Team 1. Who was the first president of the United States? Option A Abraham Lincoln. Option B George Orwell. Option C George Washington. Option D Woodrow Wilson. Tell me fast. Pass. Option C George Washington. Correct answer.
Point.
Yes. Next question.
వాళ్ళకి 2 points వచ్చింది.
Which country is shaped like a boot? Which country is shaped like a boot? Option A London. Option B Italy. Option C France. Option D Britain. A London. Wrong answer. Fast.
Next.
Britain.
Wrong. C. Options.
లేదు ఇంకా అయిపోయినాయి.
First time.
ఆయన 2 చాలు వాళ్ళకి. ఎందుకంటే 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 2 ఛాన్సెస్ ఇవ్వద్దు.
France. Wrong.
నాకు పోయింది ఇంక పోయినట్టే. ఇంకా అవసరం లేదు. రాదు మార్క్ రాదు.
Wrong.
అక్కడ 4 ఆప్షన్సే కదా. ఇంకా ఓవర్ టీంలో పోతే
Italy.
పోతుంది మార్క్.
Correct answer is Italy.
సార్
Next question. Correct answer is Italy.
సో టీమ్ 3.
Any team not get mark. Next question. This team.
నో
Jawaharlal Nehru team.
నో
Ask the question. Which planet is known for its prominent rings? Mars, Earth, Saturn, Jupiter.
Saturn.
Correct answer. Like which prize is awarded annually for outstanding achievements in literature? Option A Padma Shri Award. Option B Padma Vibhushan. Option C Nobel Prize. Option D Paramavira Chakra. Wrong answer.
Option B, Padma Vibhushan.
No. Next.
Option C, Nobel Prize.
Correct answer. Correct answer, Nancy. Nobel Prize. 10 questions completed. Next. 9 questions we got, no?
వన్ క్వశ్చన్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది.
Next thing. Give us.
లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్.
What is the largest asset class in the global economy? What is the largest asset class in the global economy? Option A real estate. Option B gold. Option C diamond. Option D silver.
Option A real estate.
Real estate. Correct answer. Round 1 completed. Round 2 capitals. First team. The capital of Oman. Options: Abu Dhabi. Option B Baghdad. Option C Tehran. Option D Muscat.
Option D, Muscat.
Muscat. Correct answer. Muscat. Correct answer. Second question. Hanoi is the capital of dash country. Option A Myanmar. Option B Laos. Option C Vietnam. Option D Indonesia. Correct answer is
Wait. Yes, sir.
C. Vietnam. Correct answer is
No. Choice.
wait.
C.
C. Vietnam. Correct answer is Vietnam.
Yes.
Correct answer.
Point.
Point America. Third question. Damascus is the capital of dash country. Option A Jordan. Option B Syria. Option C UAE. Option D Japan.
Option B, Syria. Option B, Syria.
Syria. Damascus is the capital of dash country. Correct answer is correct answer is
Picture.
Syria.
Correct.
Next question. The capital of Iraq. Option A Tehran. Option B Riyadh. Option C Baghdad. Option D Beirut. Option C Baghdad. Correct answer is Baghdad. Correct. Next question. Which is the capital of China? Option A Beijing. Option B Kabul. Option C Karachi. Option D Thailand.
Option A, Beijing.
Beijing. Correct answer is Beijing. Correct. Next question. Which is the capital of Austria?
This
Which
group.
is the capital of Austria? Okay. Which is the capital of Austria? Option A Paris. Option B Lisbon. Option D Madrid. Option D Vienna. Hey, keep quiet.
Option D Vienna.
Vienna. Correct answer is
Danakil.
correct. Vienna. Next question. Which is the capital of Monaco? Option A Belgrade. Option B Dublin. Option C Lisbon. Option D Monaco. Monaco. Correct answer is Monaco. Correct. Next question. Which is the capital of Denmark? Option A Sofia. Option B London. Option C Copenhagen. Option D Paris.
Option C, Copenhagen.
Correct answer is Copenhagen. Correct. Which is the capital of Kenya? Option A Nairobi. Option B Abuja. Option C Port Louis. Option D Tripoli. Option A. Option A. What is that? Nairobi. Correct answer is correct. Next question. Which is the capital of Maldives? Option A Colombo. Option B Singapore. Option C Male. Option D Jakarta. C
Male.
Male. Correct answer is Male. Correct one. Okay. Third round. Find out the pictures of famous personalities. Now, wait. After the 2 rounds completed, once we will see score sheet. Team 1 marks. Team 1. How many marks they got?
Jawaharlal team.
Jawaharlal team.
Round 1, 2.
Two.
Round 2, 2 points. Total 4.
Total 4.
Aman Roy.
MN Roy.
Round 1, male. Round 2, 2 points.
2 points.
Karl Marx.
Karl Marx team.
Round 1, 3 points.
Round 1 3 points.
Round 2, 2 points. Total 5.
Total 5 points. Next.
Lenin team.
Lenin team.
Round 1, 1 point. Round 2, 2 points.
Round 1,
Total
1 point.
3 points.
Round 2, 2 points. Total 3 points score. Next,
Joseph Stalin.
Stalin.
Round 1, 2 points. Round 2, 2 points.
Round 1
Total
and
4
4
points.
points. Round 2, 2 points. Total 4 points. Yes. Okay, now? Now round 3 will start. Find out the pictures of the famous personalities. Once I want to give intimation in this round, there is no options. Understood what I am saying? There is no options. Only see the picture and find out the personality name. Okay now. Next round 3 start. Who is the historical personality? The famous personality of the picture. One see.
History.
Round 1. Karl Marx team. Who is the historical famous personality? Second team. MN writing. Pass. Shall I pass?
Okay.
Pass.
Vasco da Gama.
Vasco da Gama. Wrong. Pass. Next team. Lenin. Correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Question. Who is this historical figure?
You.
Secondly, MN writing. Who is this historical figure? Picture identification mark. Pass.
Ah.
Next.
You.
Teacher, is there need to
No, not taking it 2 marks. Alexander and Newton.
One answer.
single answer?
Only one answer. Correct answer is Isaac Newton. Yes. Joseph Stalin got 1 mark. Who is this
Yes.
historical figure?
Yours.
Third round. That is Jawaharlal Nehru team. Who is this historical figure?
Pass.
Pass. Next. Alexander. Next. Next. Pass.
You. No, correct answer.
Correct answer is Napoleon Bonaparte. So, not counted even. 0.
No, this one.
Next one. Who is this historical figure? Now Lenin team.
K.S.R. Narayana.
Wrong. Pass. Next. Next team.
You.
Jawaharlal Nehru team.
Pass.
అయిపోయింది.
Correct answer is Martin Luther King. Next, who is this historical figure? Lenin Group.
You.
Lenin Group. Who is this historical figure?
This group.
Robert Hooke. No.
You. Robert
Three points.
Brown.
Robert Brown. No.
You.
Pass.
Correct answer is William Shakespeare.
Next question.
Who is this historical figure? Karl Marx. Next, Emmanuel. Jawaharlal Nehru team.
Answer.
Correct answer is Florence Nightingale. Next figure. Who is this historical figure? MNI Group. Pass. Next.
Pass.
What? Robert. Correct answer is Christopher Columbus.
Next.
Next. Who is this historical figure?
Jawaharlal Nehru team.
Jawaharlal Nehru team.
George Everest.
John
Everest.
Everest. Wrong. Lisbon. Lisbon. No. Next, Karl Marx team. Correct answer is Thomas Jefferson. Next question. Lenin team. Who is this historical figure? Next team. Stalin. Next, Karl Marx. Next, Emil Roy. Next, Jawaharlal Nehru team. Correct answer is Mikhail Gorbachev. And next, Stalin group. Who is this historical figure?
Abdul Kurai. Abdul Kurai.
Next,
Anyone? Don't know? Answer.
correct answer is James Watt. Come. Next, who is this historical figure?
Anand? 10 only. This side.
Okay, one extra question of that. Who is this historical figure?
Anyone?
Find out anyone? Alexander. Correct answer is Adam Smith. Round 3 close. In this round,
Only 1 point.
Any group member did not get any marks.
In round 3, Joseph Stalin.
In round 3,
In round 3, Joseph Stalin got 1 point.
round 4, currency of the countries. In this round, options is also not there. Understand this one? Only have to say currency in a country's currency name and equal to INR. Question round number 1, round number 4. But what is the currency of Philippines? Philippines. Karl Marx name. Pass. Shall I pass?
Peso.
Peso.
0.37.
Correct answer is okay. 0.37.
Okay, okay.
So 1.45. Peso is correct only, but equal to INR wrong you said. Peso correct. I will give 1 mark. Okay, no problem. Next. What is the currency of Kuwait? Am I writing? Dinar. Correct answer is dinar.
Written.
But equal point చెప్పండి. Round 4. 270 rupees 0.41 paise equal to INR. Next question is
Point. Madam, point.
what is the currency of Norway?
Norwegian krone.
Norwegian
krone.
Norwegian krone. Correct answer is krone.
Okay.
Okay na? Correct.
Point.
Next question. What is the currency of United Kingdom? Dollar. Wrong.
Next.
Next is
Pound sterling.
pounds. Correct answer is pounds. 103 rupees 0.60 paise. Point get it Joseph Stalin. Next question. What is the currency of Bermuda? Now. Bermuda. Alright, Ria. Correct answer is dollar. No.
Next.
Next question. What is the currency of Mauritius? Am I right? Pass. Euro. Next.
You.
Correct answer is rupee. 1 rupee 80 paise INR. Next question. What is the currency of Mexico? Next team.
You.
Am I right? Next pass. What is the currency of Mexico?
Dollar.
Correct answer is peso. 49 4 rupees 91 paise.
Next question.
Next question. What is the currency of Venezuela? Next in Jawaharlal Nehru take. What happened? What is the currency of Venezuela? Pass. Next, Joseph Stalin. Karl Marx. Euro. No.
Ah.
Joseph Stalin. Shalini, I told. But you didn't give any response.
You.
Correct answer is
Wait.
DINAR, dinner.
Dina. Correct answer is Oliver. At 0.000229 INR. Next question. What is the currency of Russia?
Your
Ruai.
What say again?
Ruai only.
Spelling what?
RUGHAI. RUGHAI.
Ruga.
RUPAIAH.
Rupaya.
RUPAIAH.
Wrong. Next.
Rebel.
Correct answer is Ruben.
Rubel, correct.
RUBLE. Ruben.
Point.
Ruben. Correct answer. Stalin. Now next question. What is the currency of woman? Woman. RI. Riyal. Correct answer is Riyal. 216 rupees, 216 rupees, 38 paise with INR. Correct answer. Round 4 completed. In round 4,
Joseph Stalin team 3 points. Lenin team 0. Karl Marx team 1 point. MN Roy round 4 1 point. Jawaharlal team 1 point.
okay. Now total marks. After complete 5th round, then we will announce. Okay. 5th round current affairs. Present current affairs. Round 5. Question 1. Options will be there. In India, which state became 6th fully literate state? In India, which state became 6th fully literate state? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Telangana. Option C, Uttarakhand. Option D, Telangana. Okay, but option is it.
Okay, option D, Tamil Nadu.
Option D, Tamil Nadu. Okay. First team, Karl Marx team.
You.
Option C, Uttarakhand. Correct answer. Uttarakhand. Correct.
Correct only.
First question only kada. Second question.
Point.
Which bank has become India's largest urban cooperative bank after crossing 1 lakh crore total business in financial year 2025 to 26? Option A, Saraswati Cooperative Bank. Option B, Cosmos Cooperative Bank. Option C, NKGSB Cooperative Bank. Option D, Abhyudaya Cooperative Bank. Second group.
Option B.
Cosmos Cooperative Bank. Correct answer is Saraswati Cooperative Bank. Wrong.
Answer var kada. Okay, next.
And third question. Who has recently been appointed to the UN Committee on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights? Option A, Preeti Saran. Option B, Aravind Panagaria. Option C, Raghuram Rajan. Option D, Shashi Tharoor.
Option D. Shashidharu.
Wrong answer. Correct answer is Preeti Sharan. Next question. Which country recently launched its new AI governance framework in 2026? Option A, India. Option B, UK. Option C, China. Option D, Russia.
UK.
Wrong answer. Correct answer is
Click.
correct answer is India. I didn't give pass though. Next question. Which Indian state launched the Green Hydrogen Policy 2026? Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Rajasthan. Option D, Gujarat. Rajasthan. Correct answer is Gujarat. Next question. Now I will give pass chance.
Beginning.
The Nari Shakti Bandhan Run is organized by which ministry? The Nari Shakti Bandhan Run is organized by which ministry? Option A, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Option B, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Option C, Ministry of Defence. Option D, Ministry of Home Affairs. Wrong. Pass.
Option A.
Wrong.
Option D.
Wrong. Option B, Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. Correct answer is
Second question.
next question. Which country has announced peace prize to Donald Trump? Options: United States. Option B, United Kingdom. Option C, Israel. Option D, Norway.
Option A, United States.
Wrong.
Option B. United Kingdom.
Next.
Israel.
Correct. Correct answer is Israel. Next question. Which major new trade service was launched in January 2026 to boost overnight rail travel in India? Option A, Tejas Express Night, Vande Bharat Sleeper Train, Rajdhani Night Link, Shatabdi Overnight.
Vande Bharat Sleeper Train.
Vande Bharat Sleeper
Sleeper
Train.
Train.
Correct answer. Next question. Who was India's first female teachers and headmistress? Option A, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Option B, Savitribai Phule. Option C, Sarojini Naidu. Option D, Kasturba Gandhi.
Option B, Savitribai Phule.
Wrong. Next.
Sarojini Naidu.
Correct answer, Sarojini Naidu. Next question. Jyoth Martini is associated with which sport? Jyoth Martini is associated with which sport? Option A, football. Option B, badminton. Option C, hockey. Option D, tennis.
Tennis.
Wrong answer.
Hockey.
Correct answer, hockey. Correct answer is correct answer. So complete all 5 rounds. Marks result announced. Team 1 Bharat marks.
సార్ని వెళ్ళు ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్